Hello, welcome back to our Power Up Project Delivery video series. Today's tip is about designing the right solution for your customer. While this is done during the sales proposal process, it has a direct impact on the subsequent installation after you win the project. After meeting on the customer site for the site survey and creating the preliminary system design and layout using System Surveyor, the next step is to curate the solution to address your customer's requirements. I like the word curate because it captures how a strong integrator truly adds value. And this is value that a customer just can't get on the internet. Just like a museum curator carefully selects pieces of art to create a specific viewer experience, or a great DJ chooses music to create a specific mood, you are developing a system designed to address some specific objectives. And most often your customers don't design security systems every day or even every year. So by using your knowledge of potential solutions, your experience, appropriate design tools, you can assess the available technologies and combine them together to create the right outcome for your customer. You weigh customer needs and budget, along with the performance, compatibility, aesthetics, and serviceability of your proposed solution. With the growing availability of advanced AI-enabled features, we have to carefully apply them in a very thoughtful way. Things like improper camera placement or bad lighting or incorrect resolution can quickly turn an AI-capable video stream into just another low-quality camera. And of course, System Surveyor helps you design the initial layout and capture photos to help determine the context where the devices will be installed. And for video applications, you can use our Camera Advisor to help you determine the appropriate resolution required to achieve specific outcomes, such as license plate capture, or facial recognition, or even just general observation. And Camera Advisor is based on the latest industry standards. Once your design is ready, review the curated solution with your customers so they understand your thinking and appreciate your expertise. When the customer understands the why behind your recommendations of a particular device, they will gain confidence in you and your solution. And this will help the entire process go more smoothly. So there you have our tip for today. Curate the solution for your customer. I hope that was helpful. And until the next video, happy surveying.